So if you want to check that in your table the null value is present or not, for checking that we're using is null. So is null statement is used to checking the existence of a null value in a particular column. Okay, so let's check here. Where I have installed a software.
Sir, good evening.
Yes.
So how can I install Oracle server on system?
You just give me your mail ID. Okay, so you send me in the group. Okay, or
Yes,
personal
yes.
WhatsApp me. I will send you through WeTransfer. Okay, so you download it within the 24 hours. Okay, and you have to install it. Okay, so before that you have to install the JDK. That software also I will provide you. So before going to the install the SQL server, Oracle database server, first of all you have to insert the JDK. Okay, then after you use the install the SQL server, in between when you install, then you ask me that I'll guide you. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
These are the both are same in the online and in this part, but here it is little bit some part of the coding is there which is required for this database.
Okay, sir.
Some of the command are there by ID only you can run. Okay, so this command is used for checking the null value. Select last name, manager ID from employee, where manager ID is not. Okay, and it is only retrieve the column that contain the null value. Similar way, here we pass another command like select last name, job ID, commission percentage from employee, where commission percentage is not. It is showing you the commission percentage is not. So first of all, let's check. Show you. Select last underscore name, manager underscore ID from HR dot employees. We are manager underscore ID that is what king is null, means it is display the record where manager ID null. So in this table, the king is a one person which the manager ID is null. Next. Let last underscore name. Job underscore ID. Commission underscore ECT. Oh. Please. Yeah. Percentage. So it is retrieve all the record where commission percentage. Okay. So next query is what? So is the two query which is used for checking the values are null. So next command is next we are using logical operator. In logical operator, we are using and, or, and not operator. And operator it return true if the both the component and condition is true. Or operator return true if either any one condition is true. And means if the two condition are true, it return you true value. Or means if any one condition is true, it return. Not means it return true if the condition is false. And or not the operator there. Return true if the both the component condition is true, or means it return true if either component condition is true. Not means if condition is true it is return you false, if it is false then return you. एंड में क्या होता है जहाँ दोनों कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होगा तो आपको ट्रू दिखाएगा, अगर कोई भी ऐसा कंडीशन है अगर फॉल्स हो जाता है ये आपको फॉल्स दिखाएगा. और में क्या होता है ना, इफ एनी वन कंडीशन इज ट्रू, किसी भी एक कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होगा तो आपको ट्रू दिखाएगा. एंड और नॉट ऑपरेटर. These are the three operators that we are using here. Now we check this condition. Select employee underscore ID, last underscore name, job underscore ID, and salary from HR dot employees. Oh yeah, salary greater than equals to 10,000 and select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary from HR.employee, where salary is greater than 10,000 and job ID like me. मतलब यहाँ पर दो कंडीशन चेक होगा. एक है ये सर्च करेगा एम्प्लॉय का इंफॉर्मेशन को जहां पर जॉब आईडी म्यान इंक्लूडेड रहेगा और जो सैलरी है वो 10,000 से ज्यादा रहेगा. job ID like man and where salary is greater than 10,000. Then comes to the OR operator. Same program, then here we use the OR operator. Select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary from HR.employee, where salary is greater than 10,000 or job ID like man. Salary is greater than 10,000 and job ID like man. Means इसमें क्या होता है ना, if two condition is satisfied then it is showing the record. अगर आपका दो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होता है देन आपका इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर शो करता है. यहाँ पर क्या होता है ना, इफ एनी वन कंडीशन इज ट्रू, किसी भी एक कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होगा देन आपका रिजल्ट शो करेगा. सपोज इसमें क्या होगा ना, सैलरी भी ग्रेटर देन 10,000 होगा और जॉब आईडी लाइक मैन होगा. मतलब किसी भी एक कंडीशन अगर ट्रू होगा, सैलरी 10,000 से ज्यादा होगा, जॉब आईडी लाइक मैन होगा. ओके, जॉब आईडी लाइक मैन होगा मतलब यहाँ पर देखो जॉब आईडी मैन नहीं है, लेकिन आप अगर सैलरी देखोगे सैलरी 10,000 से ज्यादा है, लेकिन यहाँ पर मैन है लेकिन यहाँ पर 10,000 से ज्यादा नहीं. मतलब किसी भी एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो सकता है, जिसका मैन नहीं है उसका सैलरी ग्रेटर देन हो सकता है, यहाँ पर नहीं हो सकता है. Using OR operator, if any one condition is true, it is return your true value. Then यहाँ पर हम यूज करेंगे नॉट इन। एक होता है इन और नॉट इन। नॉट इन का मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये तीनों वैल्यू छोड़कर आईटी प्रोग्रामर, एसटी क्लर्क, एसएआरएपी, ये तीनों जॉब आईडी को छोड़कर और जितना वैल्यू है ये आपको दिखा है नॉट इन। select last underscore name job underscore id from HR dot employees where job underscore id not in। मतलब जो भी वैल्यू हम लिस्ट में पास करेंगे इसको छोड़कर और जितना वैल्यू है ये आपको रिट्राइव करके दिखाएगा। So here it is showing you the record. Select last name, job ID from HR.employee where job ID not in IT programmer, ST clerk or SR। So except this value is retrieve all the records। हो गया आपका नॉट इन। उसके बाद क्या है? रूल्स ऑफ प्रेसिडेंस ऑफ ऑपरेटर। मतलब अगर आपका सारा ऑपरेटर एक ही साथ रहेगा तो कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले काम करेगा? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल योर एरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर इज वर्क, देन योर concatenation operator, then comparison operator, then is, not, null, like, not in, then not equal, not between, not equals to, not logical condition, and logical condition, or logical condition। So these are the operators we are using। So जब आप all the operators, when by using all the operator, the first we are giving a preference to arithmetic, concatenation, comparison, is, not, null, like, not between, not equals to, not logical condition, and logical condition and or logical. So these are the operators variable. So now check that rules precedence. Here I write a query. Select last underscore and job underscore ID salary HR dot employees where job underscore ID is equals to stay underscore REP or so see that first what it is display you select last name job ID salary from HR.employee where job ID is SAREP, job ID is ADP areas and salary is 50,000. Job ID ADP areas salary 24,000. Job ID SAREP 10,000, SAREP 9500. Okay. So first of all, what it is display? It is display where the job ID is SAREP और job ID is ADP areas. मतलब ये सर्च करके दो रिकॉर्ड पहले देखेगा. जॉब आईडी आइदर SAREP होगा और ADP areas होगा. एंड उसके बाद जो ADP areas जिसका जॉब आईडी ADP areas होगा उसका सैलरी 15,000 से ज्यादा होगा. तो यहाँ पर 15,000 से ज्यादा 24,000 है. और किसका नहीं है. तो सभी रिकॉर्ड रिट्राइव किया SAREP रिट्राइव किया लेकिन जो जॉब आईडी ADP एरिया से उसका सैलरी 15,000 से ज्यादा होगा. तो इज रिट्राइव ओनली दिस. ओके समझ में आ रही दीपेश अमित.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then using order by clause. Order by clause is used for retrieve the record in ascending or descending order. Okay, it is sort and retrieve the information by using order by. ASC is used for ascending order. DSC is used for descending order. Okay, select last name, job ID, department ID, hire date from employee, order by hire date. By default, it is showing you in the ascending order. Okay, so by default, it is showing you the ascending order. Sort and retrieve the row order by clause. Ascending order by default अगर मैं ASC और DESC ये दोनों जो चीज है अगर हम पास नहीं करते हैं तो बाय डिफॉल्ट वो ascending order में रहेगा. Let's take here. That last underscore name job underscore ID, department underscore ID, hire underscore date, HR.employees, order by select last underscore name, job ID, job underscore ID, department underscore ID, hire underscore date from HR.employee, order by hire. So this order by in hire date. 96, 96, 96, 97, 98, 99, 0. Okay, so by default it is present you in ascending order. Then select last underscore name, job underscore ID, department underscore ID, hire underscore date from HR dot employees, order by hire underscore date PS. Okay, so it is here we have to mention in descending order. Okay, so by default it is what? It is showing you in ascending order. For descending order, we have mentioned here DES. Then again I write select employee underscore ID, salary into 12 hours annual salary, HR dot employees, select employee underscore ID, last underscore name, salary into 12 as annual salary from HR dot employee, order by annual salary. Okay, order by means where multiply 12 with salary, it is showing you as the annual salary column. Then it is order by as the annual salary column. Means the resultant is display as a order by. Order by means in ascending order. Okay, like smallest to largest. Okay, is a 3 query per person. Now check here, it's saying that default sort order is ascending. Numeric value are displayed with the lowest value. Date value are displayed with the earliest value. Okay, so numeric value display in the lowest value. Like first it is showing you 1 and 999, and if you're taking the year, so first it is showing you 92, then 95. When character value are displayed, is display you in this format A and Z. Null value are display in the last ascending sequence. You can also sort by the column that is not in the select statement. So sorting the element, we have to use another query. करेंगे वो अलग सा चैप्टर है. इसमें कर पाओगे job underscore id department underscore id hire underscore date order by 3. Select last name, job id, department id, hire date from hr.employee, order by 3. Okay, so here hire date it is order by 3. Order by 3 means it is a 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. Okay, order by 3 means it is order by with the department id. तो पहले आपका A आया, उसके बाद M आया, उसके बाद P आया. ओके, तो 3 का मतलब है आपको 3 जो सीरियल नंबर 3 से आपको शो करेगा. ओके, देन last name, department id, salary from hr.employee, order by department id, comma, salary in descending order. Both the column is taking as a order by department id and salary. In department wise it is order by, salary wise it is order by in descending order. Okay, समझ में आया?